Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are first time here, then my name is Dhanashree. Many of us recognize aloe vera from advertisement, the perfect splitted leaves and the gel coming out of it.
This gel is in fact what companies use to make skin ointment or different cosmetic products or different medicinal purpose. But
Do you know that aloe vera is not only a medicinal plant which is used for cosmetic purpose, but it also a very great air purifier. It removes the formaldehyde, benzene, xylene from the air, which is generally used in household cleaners, home suppliers, paints, garnishers, craft suppliers. As I told you in the last video, how beneficial aloe vera is to purify the air. First, we talk about the problems of aloe vera and later some tips for maintenance and care for aloe vera plant. First problem. The major problem is yellow or brownish yellow of leaves of aloe. Two major factors that turns aloe leaves into yellow. Sunburn. In the case of sunburn, the appearance of a yellow or brownish yellow things on the leaves first appear on the tip of the leaves and spread towards the base of the leaves.
it's actually known as sun stress. Now, some aloe varieties looks absolutely gorgeous with a sun stress, but edible aloe vera become toxic if they get sunburn.
Second major problem is overwatering. The leaf of the aloe vera plant looks more brown rather than yellow when aloe vera plant is overwatering.
This is how aloe vera look when overwatering. These are the two causes for yellowing or browning of aloe vera.
The third major problem of the aloe vera having leaf tip browning. I hope this is visible to you because of resolution. Aloe vera plant is a tropical succulent, which means it requires lots of direct sunlight and humid condition. So, in case of a low humidity and intense sun exposure at the same time, the tip of the aloe vera plant turns brown. The fourth major problem of the aloe vera having the black spot. Here, this black spot developed due to the fungal infestation, where the leaves of the plant shows black areas along with the spot.
Very high humidity, low air circulation, and overwatering attract fungus and cause such infestation.
So, let's talk about the growing tips for aloe vera plant, which will help your aloe vera plant keep problem free. Tip number first, sunlight. Aloe vera plant is a tropical succulent, which means it requires lots of bright, direct sunlight. If you give 3 to 4 hours morning sunlight, then you can see your plant will be very green and plump. Watering. Water allows when the soil is dry to touch. Insert a small stick into the soil for a few seconds and observe the moisture level of the stick. If the soil is dry, then it's a perfect time to water the plant.
Watering aloe vera can be slightly tricky. Aloe vera is drought resistant plant, but still it requires regular dose of water. You can water them about once in a week or once in 10 days, but be careful. Both underwatering and overwatering can kill your plant. It can cause stress in the plant. Now, the tips of the plant of the leaf are browning. This most likely means that your plant is underwater. If it looks yellowish or reddish and it looks soggy, that it means you are overwatering the plant. If they are shriveling, that means you are underwatering the plant. Aloe vera needs well draining soil with lots of air pockets for its roots to breathe because essentially it is a desert plant. A plant that grows in arid areas so it does not like standing water. It is best to grow this plant in a succulent. Soil mix, perlite and sand are a great supplement to improve the drainage of soil. This how you can prepare for succulent soil.
I hope I'm visible behind this plant. Okay, aloe vera is very easy to grow plant. I highly recommended it for beginners. There are having a 300 species of aloe. All of them are a similar requirement to grow. You can grow any of them. Do you know that the reason of having spines or thorns on the leaves of aloes that they are present to prevent larger animal to eat leaves of aloes so that it can grow easily. Remember, when you are using aloe for your skin, for your consumption or for your medicinal purpose, not all of the species of aloe vera is good for you. Some of the species of aloe vera are toxic. Aloe vera barbadans is majorly used for medicinal purpose or for your skin or for consumption. So, if you want to grow aloe vera in your house, this is how you can care for it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do remember to check out another video on this channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you very soon.